All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's a nice day. Decided to take a ride down the street just to see what's going on, and pull up to the stoplight, and boom, over on the right, it's an SVJ. Now, you don't see these cars on a regular in the Charlotte area. So that should have been the dead giveaway. And if you can listen to it, wow, that is crazy. So here it is. You know, decide to turn over here. Hear a little music playing in the background. Wondering what's really going on. Just again, taking a stroll through the town. As we're pulling up, we're getting closer, and all of a sudden, boom, it's like a dealership lot of exotic cars. So even though we're not invited to the party, we're gonna pull up over here and take a look at these cool exotics that are just chilling on the streets of Charlotte.
You know, I've never actually seen a brand new NSX in person. Never.
I haven't either.
Never. This is sick.
This is heat.
I've never seen one of these in person.
Oh,
all over this shit.
crazy.
Man, this hybrid's
God.
heat, bro.
Bro, this color pops, bro.
What is it sitting on? What? Like, what is this? Wait, it's a cruise? It's a Lawrence,
What color
bro.
on?
This color combo's insane.
What color is this color on?
There's no way
No way that would
that's a
stop.
V6. There's no way that V6 sounded like that.
Little do they know, it is a V6, and yes, it does sound like that.
You literally just pulled up like 2 seconds ago. GoPro, yeah, he's got one right here. Shit.
What? Another guy over there.
Guy over there. Nah.
The Acura NSX. Hey, look over there. Look at all the Lambos and stuff. Do you see all the other cars right here? They're all Lambos.
You don't see this a lot.
I like that's a nice ass. Is that the brand new Ferrari? The Acura?
Yeah.
Oh, look, his GoPros. Oh, they're recording. He recorded. Let's hit on YouTube.
Pretty car. He has a GoPro to like. That's pretty cool. Love that color.
Yo, we out here in Charlotte. Look at this, boys. Yo, check this out. I didn't know this many people had whips out here like this. Look at this. This is crazy. Supercar spotting on another level. Yo, look at this. This is nuts. Lambo City, baby. Look at this. Look at that. Yo, this is crazy. Yo, this is nuts. Look at this. Exotic City. Look at that. Ah, there it goes. This is crazy right now. This is crazy. Look at this. This is nuts, all in one spot. Here we are pulling up with the NSX uninvited. We just dropped in on the show right here. But yeah, this is crazy right here. This is crazy. Literally rolled up on this by mistake. This is nuts. All of these supercars, exotics in one place. Look at this. This one looks like it's wrapped. Man, look at that. Checking out the NSX, baby. Again, we out here in Charlotte. Look at this. Look at this party right here. Look at this. This has got to be a club. All right, yo. Yeah, they ain't never seen it. It's a party over here, baby. It's a party over here. And wait for it. And boom! Door handles pop, ready to rock and roll. Alright, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. It was a nice evening to get out, take a drive. Just happened to roll into the right place at the right time to be able to capture some footage here of these exotics and supercars out here in Charlotte. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's going to be a lot more content coming featuring the NSX. So stay tuned, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.